Hello everybody and welcome to Soul Wonderland. I am your host Soul, and today we'll be taking a look inside the Essentials Edition of Free Season 3 Dive to the Future on Blu-ray. So here's the cover, the spine, the back, then you open it up and you get disc 1 and disc 2, and you take this out and you get that artwork. And you take this one out and you get that artwork. And then for whoever wants it, it's first come, first serve. Here's the digital download code. So this has been Free, the Essentials Edition, Season 3 on Blu-ray. Thank you and have a wonderful day.